Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks, as we kick into the end of October and the beginning of November. Holy cow. Love has no obligations or expectations. When you love, whatever you do it because you want to do it. It becomes a pleasure. It's like a game, and you have fun with it. When you love, you don't expect something to happen. Whatever happens is okay, and hardly anything disappoints you. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We had the Dow Industrials finish down 85. You had the NASDAQ off 2, S&P's down 10. Gold contract up 540, trading at $12.7720. Silver up 9 cents, $16.85. Both gold and silver, folks, they want higher price. What we have out here today is that last Friday, we did reject lower price as it went into the swing point of October 6th. That lower swing was $12.62. We got down to $12.63. Today, you're up $5. You did 252,000 contracts, which is not bad. Bottom line, want to see more, but it's the start. The start to get up to the 1308. And what I do expect you're going to see is 1362. Silver market. Silver is the same type of setup. Silver actually was a little bit stronger than gold last week. What we have with the silver market, silver today traded to a price point of $16.85. It was up 0.6%. You had contracts of 60,000 contracts. Silver also last Friday got to a low of 1660. The difference with silver is that the low that it was testing was 1634. So it basically got into it, got out of it. Now, on silver's case, though, I want to see it over 1689. That's what we're looking for. 1689 was the high of the low of that last swing point. Notes and bonds. Notes and bonds, folks, caught a bid higher. They have volume. They have the price spread. If we go to the 10-year first and we look at the 10-year, what you're going to see, 10-year got to a low on Friday of 124.06. We're at 125.01. It had broken the swing point from July 6th, rejected it. Bottom line, goes topside once again, had 1.1 million contracts, which is good contract volume. Bottom line, this wants to go to the swing point of 125.25, and that downtrend has been broken today. Bottom line is that we'll see how it attacks that level, which is the highs of the 13th of October. And if it does attack it like we had out here today, meaning you got some juice behind the move, what you'll see is that this baby will get up into the highs of 128.58. 30-year bond is the same setup. If you want to take a look at, and you don't have the futures, if you go over to the TLT, which is the iShares 20-year bond plus fund, what you're going to see there is that you're going to see that on Friday we did reject lower price as we had gone into the last swing lows. You get a bid underneath the TLT today. We're up $1.18. If we put this on a weekly basis, what you're going to see is that you never even made it to the lowest swing point, which is 122.58. Actually, it did. It hit 122.42. So it made it to 122.58, rejected it. Bottom line, top of this consolidation that it's been in is 129.56. I expect that 129.56 is going to get hit. We take a look at the volumes out here today. So in the NYSE, we did 870 million today. In the NASDAQ composite out here did 1.9 billion. We did done 2.4 billion on Friday. And what we are going to have here, as one of our Tigers was saying to the close, window dressing. Window dressing is here, folks. So it's going to be intriguing watching this play out the next couple of days. We're going to have a lot of numbers coming out in the next couple of days, but normally in window dressing, it's a positive bias inside the marketplace. Why? Because what you have is that you have the huge amount of 401 IRA money that basically goes into the market each and every month. And the bottom line is that if that money doesn't get put to use, the money managers don't get paid on it. So most times what you're seeing is that they put it to use, and they put it to use very quickly. Some of the higher volume stocks in this market out here today, you had Apple was a mover. Apple's coming out with the numbers Thursday after the close. Apple was up 367, trading all-time highs 166.72. You had Facebook up $1.99, also all-time highs 179.87. Facebook rather is coming out with their numbers on Wednesday. You had Walgreens up 178, 66.26. That has already got smoked. Amazon's getting into their business, and that's going to be a problem child. T-Mobile down $3.37 at 59.58. What that's all about is the on-off again merger between T-Mobile and Sprint. Gilead Sciences was off $1. Mondelez was down 138. We had First Solar up $2.76. Expedia was down again 358. Qualcomm was up 9. Let's go over to Mondelez. I believe Mondelez, let's just see. They, I believe, are coming out. Yeah, they're coming out with their numbers right now. Let's see if they come out yet. Yeah, so Mondelez just come out with the numbers. That closed at $39.39. That is trading right now at $41.34. Numbers go like this. Earnings per share, the estimate was 54 cents. They made 57. Their revenue, there it is. Okay, so third quarter revenue, the estimate was $6.45 billion. They made $6.53 billion. Their gross margin is 39.5%. The estimate was 40.3%. Their organic revenue moved higher by 2.8%. Their operating margin is 16.9%. Their revenue growth in Latin America was 5.4%. In Asia and East Africa, it was 2.9%. So you have it trading up a couple dollars right now. And the high for the year has been 47. The low bottom line got hit out here today. Mondelez is in trouble, folks. That's an ABC structure on the way down. Look at that, baby. Whoa, baby. Get out of the way. Stay right there, folks. We'll come right back.